In this video, we will discuss scalping strategies based on the smart money concept, utilizing order block areas, break of structure, and change of character. The indicator we will use in this trading strategy is one of the popular indicators based on the smart money concept, known for its simplicity. Therefore, make sure you stay tuned to this video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The smart money concept refers to trading actions by institutional or professional investors who have greater access and knowledge compared to retail investors. As a result, they often leverage in-depth information and analysis to make significant trading positions that can influence market movements. Order blocks, on the other hand, are significant areas on the price chart where substantial orders accumulate, exerting a significant influence on price movements. Typically, order blocks form when large institutions start taking significant positions in the market. This is a major reason why these order block areas have a profound impact on supply and demand in the market. If you identify significant order block areas, you can open trading positions following the movements of these large institutions. You can manually analyze to estimate potential order block areas to enter positions in the market. However, if you're still struggling, you can follow the strategies discussed in this video. To utilize the smart money concept strategy, you can access TradingView. Then, navigate to the Indicator Search tab and type in Smart Money Concept. Choose the Smart Money Concept by Lux Algo. Next, go to the Indicator Settings. Under the Input tab, uncheck the boxes for Show Swing Structure, Show Strong Weak High and Low, Equal High Low, and Auto Threshold. Click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, this indicator will automatically mark bullish and bearish order block areas. If the price candlestick enters a bullish order block area, prepare to place a buy order. Conversely, if the price candlestick enters a bearish order block area, prepare to place a sell order. Furthermore, the indicator will also signal a change of character and break of structure. If a green-colored chalk or change of character signal appears, it indicates a trend change from bearish to bullish. On the other hand, if a red-colored chalk signal appears, it indicates a trend change from bullish to bearish. Moreover, the BOS or break of structure signal will indicate that the price is likely to continue its upward or downward movement. Now, let's add another indicator to determine the entry points for placing orders in the market. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type in Waddah Attar Explosion V2. Choose the Waddah Attar Explosion V2 by Shayang. Next, access the settings for Waddah Attar Explosion. Under the Input tab, leave the settings at their default, then, go to the Style tab. Under the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for Explosion Line and Dead Zone Line. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The Waddah Attar Explosion will be used to place orders in the market, where green bars indicate a buy signal and red bars indicate a sell signal. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using the Smart Money Concept indicator in conjunction with the Waddah Attar Explosion indicator. Here are the steps to place a buy order. 1. Once the green chalk signal appears, wait for a break of structure, meaning the BOS signal has appeared. 2. Then, wait for the price candlestick to return to the bullish order block area. 3. After that, wait for a buy signal or a green bar from the Waddah Attar Explosion indicator. 4. Once the buy signal from the Waddah Attar Explosion appears, ensure that the candlestick formed is bullish. 5. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. 6. Place a stop loss below the bullish order block. 7. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And here are the steps to place a sell order. 1. Once the red chalk signal appears, wait for a break of structure, meaning the BOS signal has appeared. 2. Then, wait for the price candlestick to return to the bearish order block area. 3. After that, wait for a sell signal or a red bar from the Waddah Attar Explosion indicator. 4. once the sell signal from the Waddah Attar Explosion appears, ensure that the candlestick formed is bearish. 5. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. 6. Place a stop loss above the bearish order block. 7. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. To enhance results, you can add one more indicator to filter the trend in the market. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type in Moving Average Ribbon. Choose the Moving Average Ribbon default by TradingView. Access the settings. Under the Input tab, disable the checkmarks for MA number 3 and MA number 4, set MA number 1 to EMA and set its length to 20. Repeat the same for MA number 2, but set its length to 50. Customize the colors of each EMA according to your preference. Click OK to confirm the changes. If the EMA 20 crosses above and stays above the EMA 50, it indicates a bullish trend, and your focus should be on finding the best entry points to place buy orders. Conversely, if the EMA 20 crosses below and stays below the EMA 50, it indicates a bearish trend, and your focus should be on finding the best entry points to place sell. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this second method. Here's the step-by-step guide for placing buy and sell orders. Placing a buy order. 1. If the EMA 20 crosses above or stays above the EMA 50, it signals a bullish trend, focusing on finding the optimal entry point for a buy order. 2. Wait for the green chalk signal to appear. 3. Then, wait for a bullish break of structure or BOS signal, indicated by a green BOS signal. 4. Wait for the price candlestick to return to the bullish order block area. 5. Afterward, wait for a buy signal or a green bar from the Waddah Attar Explosion indicator. 6. Once the buy signal from the Waddah Attar Explosion appears, confirm that the candlestick formed is bullish. 7. If all conditions are met, place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. 8. Set the stop loss below the bullish order block. 9. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2. Placing a sell order. 1. If the EMA 20 crosses below or stays below the EMA 50, it indicates a bearish trend, focusing on finding the optimal entry point for a sell order. 2. Wait for the red chalk signal to appear. 3. Then, wait for a bearish break of structure or BOS signal, indicated by a red BOS signal. 4. Wait for the price candlestick to return to the bearish order block area. 5. Afterward, wait for a sell signal or a red bar from the Waddah Attar Explosion indicator. 6. Once the sell signal from the Waddah Attar Explosion appears, confirm that the candlestick formed is bearish. 7. If all conditions are met, place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. 8. Set the stop loss above the bearish order block. 9. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2. Always maintain good money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and I'll see you in the next one.